Hi.
Right?
What are you doing?
There we go. Undoing the last spring for the top.
You cleaned the shaft.
I did.
Oh, no, it's not the last spring. There's actually 2 more.
But and there we go.
I mean, it's all going in the scrap pile or trash anyway, so.
The easiest way to explain it for me, when I learned how to do drum brakes, the guy that taught me always took everything off in one shot, put it down on the ground, and then matched all his parts up to the pre-existing picture you have in front of you.
A picture with 1 spring?
Correct. But it would hold itself together just long enough that you could put it on, lock everything in place, and you wouldn't be too far off.
I mean, we're replacing these anyway.
Oh yeah, no, exactly. But if you're only doing shoes and not wheel bearings, then it's easy enough to just go, oh, I can do this in one shot.
Did you put that down?
Yep, that's a spring for here, that's a spring for here. It's just the way I was taught, and I've never done it any other way.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure I get a lot of people upset because I do it very specifically, but all my stuff like that turns out pretty good, at least so I've been told. I know. So we're almost done with this wheel. I'll have everything back together. Drum will go next door to get turned, and then we'll go pretty much around the car, and I know you're ready, or damn near ready, to put shoes and everything on the other side.
Are you videoing this?
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I didn't see his camera. I thought you were just talking to talk. I was like,
Oh, no.
Scotty, you're getting quite in depth to have a conversation with Xander over. Hey, all right, know how to do. I'm dumb. You can beat me.
We all know this. Trust me. The owner of this car even knows this.
No, on the other side.
He says I'm not dumb. I'm special.
Oh, you're special, all right.
No, I still gotta pull the springs and everything on this, but I pulled
Damn.
the seal and everything, and
Scotty, did you
just kinda gotta take it apart.
polish?
I cleaned his shaft.
You clean his stud?
Hey, joke's not funny, buddy. I already said that.
Are you still live on camera?
Yes.
Okay, yes, sir.
I'm gonna beat you.
Alright, later.